Hey, wild spirits. Welcome to RiseWildBoho, a space where health isn't just about what you eat or how you move, but about how you live. This is where we embrace the wild within us and rise above the noise, reclaiming our lives from the ordinary. Here, we dive deep into the heart of holistic health, balancing mind, body, and spirit to create a life that's vibrant, free, and truly alive. Here's the truth. Wellness is messy, it's raw, and it's wild. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. It's not about restriction, it's about nourishment. And it's definitely not about following the crowd. It's about finding what works for you. That's what RiseWildBoho is all about, empowering you to make conscious, aligned choices that light you up from the inside out. So, if you're ready to rise above the chaos, reconnect with your wild, authentic self, and embrace a holistic approach to health that's as unique as you are, then you're in the right place. Let's go on this journey together, and let's make it real, raw, and ridiculously rewarding. Subscribe now and join the movement. Let's rise wild together.